So, good morning, guys. I'm about to go to work right now, and I feel like there is something I want you people to know, a health information I think you people should know. As you can see, look, I'm on my way to work. So, I know many of us really want to help people when we see them in distress or in some funny situation, some bad situation, like say accidents, for example. Now I know you want to assist, you want to help them. Maybe if they come meet you, please give me some water, and then you be like, okay, here's a bottle of water. Please, I want to tell you that when an accident victim asks you for water, please do not give them water. And I will give you 3 reasons why you shouldn't give them. I know you want to be good and kind, but at that point, kindness is more like death, if you get me. Number one reason: when they are in such situations, their body actually go into shock. They don't even know, like their body go into shock, and so because of that, they may not feel pain or they may not feel hurt. Now when they meet you and ask you for water and you give them water, it will choke them, because one, their body may forget how to swallow anything. And so when they get water, the water that is meant to just go the way it should would choke them, and then maybe go into the lungs, or it would be very, very disastrous. So that's number one reason why you shouldn't give them water. Number two, when they may need to go in immediately for surgery, and you should know that before going for surgery, it is advisable that you shouldn't eat anything, you should not drink anything. So when they are in such situation and they take water, they may, and immediately they are being rushed to the hospital for surgery, the doctors there may decide to put them under anesthesia, and then proceed with the surgery. So during the surgery, they may choke in the cause, like during surgery, and the fluid, that the water will not come out the way it should, because they are not even in control of their body. It will then go into the lungs, and then it will be another problem for them. That's number 2 reason. Number 3 reason, the last one, is blood clotting. When they drink water, they've lost so much of blood. All right, so when they take water, it will make them not to be able to clot properly. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So you'll be wondering, okay, well then, since we shouldn't give them water when they need water, what should we give them then? Well, when they come meet you and they want water, just take a handkerchief, dip it in water, and then you place it on their lips like this. When you place it on their lips like this, they will be able to lick it. Tell them to just lick it, place it on their lap.